For option 2 with Franz Marc, you're trying to create something that is a cubist picture. That means it's divided up into sections, it's very geometric, and we're also going to hide an animal head or two in your picture. Just the head, we're not worried about the body. So you got a piece of paper and you want to break it into pieces, however you choose. And your ruler is a handy tool for that. And how you break it up doesn't really have to make sense. It doesn't have to be in a pattern. Just don't get your sections too teeny tiny too fast, or you will go insane when we get to the next step, because it involves chalk. Alright, mine's broken up into pieces. I can always make them a little smaller later. And like before, I'm going to use a deer in my picture, so I'm trying to find a good spot to hide it, and then I'll add more lines to help it disappear. And we're trying to make it so it's very, very geometric, so it's not going to look like the real thing. It's not going to have all those curves. So for example, this could be how I draw the front of the face. And I'm trying to keep it as straight as possible. And then here's a nostril. And there's an eye. And I could turn it a different direction and do it again. Or maybe I just do pieces of the animal, like here's his head, and then in another area I'll have its front leg. And I'm still making it geometric, so things that normally curve, I'm making from straight lines. Verticals, horizontals, diagonals. And maybe up here, I'll have his antlers. So it's kind of like a seek and find. And maybe over there we'll have his white tail. And once you're at this point, you can always add other lines to it to help hide what you just made in the picture. And as I stated earlier, don't get too small.